welcome to Kaplan. So the whole idea of Kaplan is to provide the learning opportunities and make available content for the digital tools and the techniques that use in the handling of data, information, etc. As we today, the importance of data is very high because all the teams or the CEO or the department is making decision based on the whatever data is available. So they are implementing the data points in order to capture the data from different sources, and based upon the calculation from the different data, they are making the decision. So that's what's happening in business today. One example of a very small example of connecting the data of customer review and how you analyze your customer review on a dashboard. So here we are using Excel and Power BI to do this. So if you actually the example would be a small one, but the application of similar situations will be very high in any business. So here we used a customer feedback survey of Kapreign. So we have actually did it with Microsoft Forms. I created a couple of questions asking whatever the data that I have required from the customer. So we usually send this after completion of our project. So we actually sent it with a couple of customers and already got a couple of reviews based on that. So today we are processing this data, directly connecting the Power BI with this Excel and want to create a dashboard. So as I said, this is our form and this is the data, and this is a Microsoft Excel online which is saved on our OneDrive folder. So in order to do that, I'll open Microsoft Power BI. So first I need to connect the data, which is the Excel available on the our OneDrive folder. So in order to do that, I need to create the report, which is the report that I want to create from the scratch. So I want to click the get data and where. Then I want to add the URL of Microsoft Excel data. So either you can connect the entire Excel. Since it's case all the data is coming to this Excel, that would be enough. So if you have multiple Excel, you can connect that as well. So once you click OK, it is processing the data and identifying what are the tables available on the data, tables and sheets. Here I connected the table and I'm just clicking on the transform data. So once you click on the transform data, you can see the entire data which is available on the Microsoft Excel on your Power BI. And surprisingly, it automatically detects the the date, email, phone number, text, string values, etc. So that's done by the Power BI itself. So again, if you want to do any alterations such as removing the rows or removing the outliers or any columns, whatever, you can remove it from right here or clicking on the header. If you don't want, since in this case it's a small data, so we are directly go with the the available entire data. So just click on the close button and it will go to the home page. So here I connect the data on my Power BI. So I can see that my I have already 24 rows available, which is the data collected from the different customers. So then I am trying to build the dashboard. So how you build the dashboard is you can connect. You can see that different visualization available on the right pane, which means, for example, if you want to create the a gauge report, you just need to click on the gauge icon, and then on the right side just see whatever the options are available. See here, I can see my Excel table and all the columns available on my Excel table. From this I'm taking this overall service of the customers, given the overall service rating of our projects. So it's when you go to the table view, it's actually the last folder, which is the people the clients already marked the overall service rating, the project service rating out of 10. So I will do what I will do. Instead of sum, I will go with the maximum value and put it on the maximum, and again I will drag the same field to the value field, which is average. So what it is showing, your maximum value is 10, and out of 10 the customer's average service response, the response customers given is 8.42. So this shows that actually the service rating of the company, our project that we are doing, and once we done with that, we can create another report as well. For example, I will click on donut chart, then whatever data I want, then I will click how I like another parameter that I will drag into this. So this shows us some of how likely would you recommend our service to your friends or colleagues. Okay, so we have added one field in our survey, which is what is the recommended recommendation score. So people have given 90% of the people have given 10 as their response, and 48% people given 8, and what is this rate? 10.5% given 7. So similarly, this is the detailed drill down of what is the response given from the customers. So these are small examples how the Power BI is working, that you just click on the visualization available and drag the fields to the field out there. I hope you got how this is working. Just click on the dashboard, the visualization. You will see, you can see the fields depend upon whatever the visual that you have created. So here x-axis, y-axis, this is actually a bar chart. So if you want to create a bar chart, I just need to put it on the, see here the data. Yes, so what it is showing, this is regarding if we given a choice again today, would you still buy our service? The repeatable, how the customers are likely to buy our service again. That's the question we have asked, and the response we get, the choices we given, yes, no, and maybe. So we have get out of, I'll show total response. You just need to click on the format your visuals button and click on the data labels on. So it will show out of 24 responses, 10 people say that they will buy our service again. So I'll put it here. So now we have 3 visualization from the data we get from our Excel file. So this is how you can build different dashboards. Just drag and drop the whatever visual that you want and put whatever the data in which way. For example, if it is a donut chart, bar chart, or a line chart, whatever the way that you want, you can actually drag and drop the visuals on the right pane and click on the whatever fields that you want to and put it on the values field. So I will show, I already created a dashboard, so I will show that. Okay, time being, we'll save this. That is actually customer review dashboard. Yeah, as you see, you can see here is a Kapreign customer dashboard, review dashboard. So total we have got 24 responses, out of which 90% people say, 45% people say 10 as the top recommendation, and this is how the entire dashboard look like. This we have done for our customer review analysis. So based on this, what we are doing is what are the shortcomings in our entire project journey. So we find from this and take the action on the next time. So that's how we do. Again, for example, I will show you one more feature. When you click on the the turn 45% value, the blue value, you can see it's the 9 responses. So you can see how the other fields are interacting with the 9 responses on the service recommendation visualization. So this is one of the cool feature Power BI have. So this helps you deeper dive into what is happening with the small amount of people out of the entire review that you receive from the customers. So that's a cool feature in Power BI. So this it's a small video of how we can connect the data from different sources, such as we take Excel in this case. So similarly, I'll post more videos, different sources of data, such as maybe the database, web, Excel, folder, txt files, etc. So the designing part comes as same in all the cases. However, the data taking from the different sources might have a small difference, such as in some cases, if the file is protected, you need to enter the passwords. You need to maybe you have to done some calculations, etc. So we will learn more about Power BI and how you in your organization or your department how you can take it to the next level by leveraging the tools such as Power BI, Power Automate, Excel, etc. So thank you.